Let me show you guys the exact strategy that I trade every single day live and the strategy that gets me payouts. This is the break and retest strategy, and my name is Project. If you're new to this channel, I help traders use the very basics to become profitable. I'm talking about just very simple candlesticks. Notice how on my chart there are no fancy indicators. It's very simple support and resistance levels, reading candlesticks to identify the break of structure, which you can see the break of structure here, which we'll go over here in one moment, and entering in on the break and retest strategy. So first, let's talk about a losing trade and how the next trade not only recovered 5 times the losing trade, but how that is how trading just goes. Yeah, you might lose 1 or 2 trades back to back, but one good trade is all you need. And that's what this strategy will do for you. Very simply, you can see price sells off majorly down below this specific level here that I have, a level that I provided in my Discord. And in general, anyone can find practically any level. So I understand some people like to trade something called like fair value gaps, which is nothing wrong with that at all. You can even break and retest that as well. But essentially, market sells off majorly downwards here. Nice little pullback retest entry, except I don't take the entry there. I miss it actually. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo, it's totally okay. Move on to the next trade. Then you can see price sells off, attempts to climb back up, doesn't get exactly to the resistance area, but it does reject again, kind of climbs back up again, taps it one more time, and this is where I expected another sell-off. So I entered one short here, just one. Ultimately saw some decent gains going on, and then you can see we got stopped out at break even here on this candle here on the pullback. But guys, something interesting goes on here. Something called a breakout above the most previous recent highs, aka break of structure. It's really something anyone can find. Anyone can identify when the candlesticks finally get above a most previous high or low. In this case, this is a breakout. That's the first step to a break and retest strategy, because essentially this is the break. This is the pullback retest entry. That's it. That's all it is, guys. I can literally stop this video right now, but we're gonna go more in depth on it because again, look at this nice breakout candle. Pullback retest entry, guys. This is the entry here. This candle is the entry. That simple single strategy is how you can very simply enter trades with full confidence, because this is a reject to a breakout to a pullback retest entry. Then you just enter here. I was watching price action a little bit, saw a nice a green candle bull step in, a little doji, and I was like, man, this is golden. This is golden. So I entered 3 contracts. Nice major push to the most previous highs, so we sold. That was a $300 day, guys. Today we traded the S&P, micro MES, micro S&P 500s. We essentially did the same exact thing, except this one's to the downside, and this one was a win today of $202, which we'll run through my P&L here in one moment. But I want you guys to see something. It's the same exact level that we just traded earlier. It's the same exact level. I've been trading the same exact level all week. That is how simple I keep it. You can see price sells off majorly through this level. Buyers take it on back up to this level, kind of chop around, do a false breakout. And don't get me wrong, essentially, you could have probably tried to take a longs here, target the most previous highs potentially, but you can see it actually failed immediately. Then you can see a nice sell-off candle here, a big red candle, guys. That is very important because this single candle right here is the break of structure. It's now a new lower low, indicating that price is reversing. And that is just a very simple explanation. If you read candlesticks as well, you can see major sell-off, doji type candle, price tries to come back up, rejects. So guess what, guys? I entered 5 contracts on that rejection. 5 contracts. Watch price here. You can see again, it's just consolidating. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. Price is still below the most previous low as well, indicating that sellers do want to hold this level. Then ultimately, nice sell-off back down. Again, even another break of structure to the previous low side. And now we just watch it climb down, sell 4 contracts, hold 1 runner. And guys, that is how we finish the day strong. That is how not only did we take payout already on this account, but we're on track to take even again another payout every single day, green. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Just a very simple explanation video on how I trade the break and retest strategy to my favorite every single day. Not only that, but I post videos every single day of my live trades. And on top of that, I go live every single day in the Discord, on TikTok, and I used to go live on YouTube, Twitter, and Kick. Do you guys understand? I literally trade every single day. show the results every single day, and make videos about my trades every single day. And here is a video breakdown of how I literally trade every single day. And if you guys still literally have questions, you can either two things: directly message me on Instagram, Twitter, or you can join the Discord, 7 days free access for your first month. If you really do like it, stick around, pay the premium, be part of the community, but also you will learn and have access to every single video. You'll have access to the 0 to Hero course, all the way from learn how to spot and read candlesticks to reversals, to support and resistance levels, all the way down to higher low concept, down to even the break and retest strategy, to learn how to use strategy after you learn the basics, after you learn how to read price action. Then you can start trading. Then after you start trading, you're gonna tell yourself, man, how do I keep my profits? That's why I have a risk management chapter as well, which is directly towards learning how to manage your risk, learning how to take a trade. When you take a trade, how to take a loss. Everything is literally in this course from start to finish. Take advantage, because one day we're gonna be so popping, but so far it was free for 4 years. Finally put a price tag on it. Can't complain for all the stocks that you do get, as well as eventually down the road. Guys, this will be a game changer. No indicators in this, just straight reading candlesticks, price action, and learning to trade that. That's it. Let's go. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.